Today's an exciting day. Hopefully in this box are the correct brake drums for my truck. So let's open it up and see. That doesn't look great. I think that's too wide. Okay, so as you can see, I didn't even notice this whenever I first opened the box. On the current brake drums, in addition to the 8 lug holes, there's 3 additional holes for these bolts that hold the drum on. But on the new drum, there are only the 8 lug holes. So that's definitely wrong. Size-wise, it looks close. This outer rim right here is a little bit bigger on the new one, I think. But other than that, it's pretty close. I mean, I would definitely be willing to try it if it had those additional holes. So I don't really understand that. I'm gonna have to check LMC's website and try to figure out where the discrepancy is. All right, it's round 2 on the brake drum order, this time from Max. So let's see if they're right this time. Okay, this looks promising. There's more holes, so that's good. Not quite sure what this flange is for, though. But there's nothing for it but to take them out of the bag and see if they go on the truck. Alright, let's take this wheel off for like the 100th time and see if this stupid brake drum fits. Alright, just getting you set up here with the pine tree cam. Perfect. question is, why wouldn't this thing adjust? I guess it's just all rusted shut. But these brakes are too tight, so I got to try to adjust that. But the good news is, I'm pretty sure that brake drum is going to fit. So, let me see. Yeah, so that little store wheel must be froze shut. I gotta lube that up a little bit. Well, you know what they say about lubing up your brake shoes. I don't know if that was a problem or not. Hopefully, leave that soak for a minute. Try to adjust. Alright, well that thing was on there tight. I finally got it with channel locks. But even that, wow, it's on there snug. I don't know why. I guess it just rusted. Alright, let's see if it fits. So far, so good. It's hard to do with one hand. Okay, now is it going to go over the shoes? I think no. I need to adjust a little more. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Shit. I only lined one of those up. Okay, let me take it off and rotate it. Okay, now. There it is. Perfect. Okay. So, I'm going to put it all back together, and we should be good for a test ride. Okay, we're back to a good road for a shakedown test. Let's get up to speed here, hit the brakes, and see what happens. Get a little bit of pulsing. But I think it might be better than it was. Really kind of hard to say. Yeah, there's definitely still some pulsing. Maybe something else needs adjusted, but I don't know, I think it might be a little bit better. Turn around here and try again. It does feel a little bit better. I don't know, maybe it's just my imagination. I think it's a little bit better. Either way, I needed to change those drums anyway, so I'll play some more with the brakes, but for now, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.